We guide you through how to add your calendar to the side in Outlook. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook application and make sure you are on the mail view. Then look at the bottom left corner and click the calendar icon. Switch view briefly, and once you're inside the calendar, go to the top menu and find the option that says View. Then select Dock or To-Do bar, depending your Outlook version, and enable the calendar preview so it appears on the side panel. Now, switch back to your mail view, and you should see your calendar neatly displayed on the right side of your screen, allowing you to check schedules while reading emails without switching tabs. If it doesn't appear, go back to View tab, click To Do bar, and make sure Calendar is checked. This ensures it stays visible, and you can also resize the size panel by dragging it to fit your preference, making multitasking smoother and faster.